Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Welcome, food lovers. Have you ever tried Egusi soup? It's a truly delicious and popular West African dish, famous for its rich flavor and unique texture. The star ingredient is ground melon seeds, which create a wonderfully hearty base. We're going to show you how easy it is to make this incredible soup, step by step, right in your own kitchen. It's a comforting meal you'll want to make again and again. To start cooking our amazing Egusi soup, let's talk ingredients. First, you'll need the star, quality ground Egusi seeds. Next, pick your protein. Popular choices include beef, chicken, or even smoked fish for a different flavor. Then, gather your fresh vegetables like spinach or bitter leaf. And don't forget the key aromatics: palm oil, onions, a few seasoning cubes, and your preferred peppers to make it perfectly spiced. Now for the Egusi seeds themselves. If your seeds aren't already ground, blend them until they become a coarse powder. Then, transfer them to a bowl and slowly add a little water or stock. Mix it all thoroughly to create a thick, pliable paste. This step is super important, as this paste will give your soup its characteristic texture and help thicken it beautifully as it cooks. Let's start cooking the soup base. In a large pot, heat your palm oil, then add chopped onions and your peppers, stirring until they're nice and fragrant. Now, introduce your pre-cooked meat or fish, along with some rich stock, allowing everything to simmer for a few minutes. Then, gently drop spoonfuls of your Egusi paste into the pot, letting it cook for a bit without stirring. This helps the Egusi form small, delightful clumps. After the Egusi paste has cooked for about 10 minutes, it's time to gently stir everything together. Now, add your fresh greens, like spinach or yuzu leaves, and let the soup simmer for a few more minutes. Taste and adjust the seasoning as needed, adding a little more salt or spice if you like. Serve your delicious Egusi soup hot with your favorite swallow, like fufu or pounded yam, for a truly authentic and satisfying experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.